kid has school anxiety, it isn't always bullying. What are the reasons would a kid have school anxiety?
Well, a lot of children are perfectionistic, and they have these anxieties, and they feel very threatened when they go into new situations, or even any situation that's challenging to them. And what's usually happened is that they've developed some kind of idea based on something they've either read or heard or overheard about um, how you have to do well, and they feel very uncomfortable, and they see it as a challenging situation, and they don't feel comfortable.
So you can't think you know what they do. Don't you sit down, you talk to the kid, and then you talk to the teacher. Say, no, the way she's being approached, she can't handle it. Can we find a different way of approaching it so she slowly eases in and she gets more confidence? Is that a better way of handling it?
Much better way. Like I say, these kids have developed some kind of anxiety, thought patterns. I wouldn't. We sometimes use the word if it's severe enough, we might even call it a fixed delusion, which means that the person has this idea that defies reality. That no matter how many times it doesn't occur, they still believe it will occur and will happen the next time. And so, yes, the best thing you can do is sit down and rather than give these empty reassurances and tell the child, don't worry about anything, school's fine, you're going to be safe, exactly like you said, find out from the child, what is he or she afraid of?